Hello student, good morning. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. I am your Sanskrit teacher Tehsina Malik and today we are going to discuss chapter 3 Atmashraddhayah Prabhavah means effect of self-confidence. We all are know that very well. Without self-confidence we can't do any work, okay? And self-confidence is a power of our self. So, self confidence is very essential in life. This quality can be developed by continuous effort. Okay, instead of depending on others, one should learn become one's own guide. This is rightly known as Swayam Jyotiha or Swayam Pragna. This point has been explained clearly by the example of Eklavya, a character who is an integral part of the great epic Mahabharata. So, here we are going to discuss this story about Eklavya, okay, who is the student of Dronacharya. But Dronacharya can't teach to Eklavya, okay, and Eklavya become Archer thereby own self and own confidence, okay. So in this story we are going to learn about self confidence and how to become and how to trust in own self and own work, okay. So here we all are know that hard work is very important, and with hard work self confidence is very essential in life. So now I am going to read first paragraph. एकः बालकः आसीत् तस्य नाम एकलव्यः आसीत्. सः धनुर्विद्याः पठितुम् इच्छति स्म. एकदा सः द्रोणाचार्यस्य समीपम् अगच्छत्. अवच्च गुरुदेव, अहम् अपि धनुर्धरः भवितुम् इच्छामि, कृपया मां स्वीकुरु. आचार्यः प्रत्यवदतः, अहं कौरवाः पाण्डवान् च पठयामि. अहं भवतः शिशुरूपेण स्वीकारं कर्तुं न शक्नोमि. परन्तु आचार्यः प्रति तस्य श्रद्धा शिथिला न अभवत्. It means there was a boy. His name was Eklavya. He wished to learn archery. One he went to near Dronacharya and said, "O teacher, I also wish to become a skilled archer. Kindly accept me." The teacher replied, "I teach Kauravas and Pandavas. I cannot accept you as my student." But his faith towards his guru did not become less. Here, Dronacharya cannot accept Eklavya as student, right? But Eklavya cannot less their faith in Dronacharya, and he cannot lose their self-confidence. So now we are going to discuss second paragraph. सः आचार्यशः द्रोणस्य एकाः मूर्तिम् अर्चयतः. सः प्रतिदिनं मूर्तिम् अन्मत्. प्रातःकालः सायं पर्यन्तः धनुर्विद्यायाः अभ्यासः करोतम्. शौनः सः कुशलः धनुर्धर अभवत्. एकदा तस्मिन् वने गुरुद्रोणाः पाण्डवाः कौरवाः च सह आगच्छतः. एकः कुक्कुरः तान् दृष्ट्वा अभषत. अर्जुनः धनुष्यः उत्थापयति स्म. तदैव एकलव्यः बाणौ तस्य कुक्कुरस्य मुखम् आशीव्यत्. द्रोणाचार्यः एतत् दृष्ट्वा तत्र आगच्छतं. तं च अपृच्छतः, कः तव आचार्यः. तदा सः द्रोणाचार्यः तां मूर्तिम् अदृश्यः. It means when right? Dronacharya and Pandavas and Kauravas are go. He made a statue of archery Drona. He used to bow down to the statue every day. He would practice archery from morning to evening slowly. He became a skilled archer. Once Guru Drona came to the forest with the Pandavas and Kauravas. A dog started barking on seeing them, all of them. Arjuna picked up the bow. At that instant, Eklavya stitched up the dog's mouth with arrows. Seeing this, Dronacharya came there and asked him, "Who is your teacher?" Then he showed the statue of Dronacharya. So, here Dronacharya asked to Eklavya, "Who is your guru?" And then Eklavya showed the statue of Dronacharya. Last one, Eklavya गुरुश्रद्धायाः स्वश्रद्धायाः च प्रतीकम् अस्ति. एकलव्यम् अस्मान् शिष्यति. स्वयं ज्योतिः स्वयं प्रज्ञः भवतु. यदि अस्मासु आत्मश्रद्धा अस्ति तर्हि कापि सिद्धिः दुर्लभा नास्ति. अनन्तरम् आत्मश्रद्धायाः बलेन सः श्रेष्ठः धनुर्धरः अभवत्. It means Eklavya is an example of faith in the teacher and self-confidence. Eklavya teaches us, become your own light and intelligence. If we have self-confidence, then no achievement will be difficult to attain. Okay, here we can say that Eklavya is the best example of self-confidence in Mahabharata, right? No guru has teach them archery, but they cannot lose their self-confidence, and he practice by their own, and one day he become a very good archer, and that time he feels so proud, and also Dronacharya also proud of Eklavya, right? So in this story we learn that we always trust and faith in ourselves, and we cannot lose self-confidence in any condition. Then he become the best archer on the strength of self-confidence, right? So the strength of self-confidence is very important and very powerful thing for ourselves. When we are trust in ourselves, okay, and we are become very powerful, we cannot lose hope and doing things by own. And we also learn that how can we face the difficulties, okay, and achievement. When we are face difficulties, we are achieve something, and if we want achieve something, we also have self confidence. So when we want achieve something, so self confidence is more important thing. Okay, now we are going to discuss glossary. Padhitum means for learning. Bhavitum means to be. Pratyavadanta means responded. Na shaknomi means is not able or is unable. Bhavatah means your. Sithila means less. Pratidinam means every day. Shaneha means very slowly. Tadeva means soon. Kukuraha means dog. Anantaram means later on. Yadi tarhi means if. Anumat means bowed. Pratah kala ta means from morning. Na abhavat means not become. Utthaya patyati means takes up. Asivyata means stopped. Asmana means us. Now we are going to discuss exercise. Pronounce the following words properly. Here some words are there and we have to read this with proper pronunciation. Okay, you all have to write this exercise glossary in your notebook and learn it and practice it. Okay, first word eklavyah, धनुर्विद्यां, द्रोणाचार्यश, अगच्छत, स्वीकुरु, प्रत्यवदत, शिष्यरूपेण, पर्यनन्तम्, उत्थाप्यति, गुरुश्रद्धायाः, स्वयं ज्योतिः, दुर्लभा. Now second one, question answer. You all have to write down this question answer in your Sanskrit notebook. Okay. Next one, fill in the gaps using the words given in the brackets. Okay, here 4 blanks are here and there are 4 words give in brackets. You have to choose correct word and fill all the blanks. Fourth one, make sentence using the following word. You all have make one sentence by using this word. Okay. Fifth one, write am against the right and no against the wrong sentence. Okay, so you all have to do this exercise. Sixth one, fill in the blanks using the correct form of the root verb, basic verb given in the brackets. Follow the instruction. Okay, you all have to follow the instruction and fill all the blanks. Draw the picture of a bow. Okay, you all have to draw this picture in your, if you have a textbook, draw in your textbook, and if you don't have a textbook, draw in your notebook. Okay, last one, vahanam. Shakatam means a cart, Vayuyanam means an aeroplane, Drichakrika means a bicycle, and Jalyanam means a ship. So here we are completed our third chapter in Sanskrit. Hope you all are understand and you all have to write this all question answer blanks and words in your Sanskrit notebook. Bye, take care.